description.
Well, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one that came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. This is a sesame paste flavor noodle from James of Lakeside, California. And the brand is Mian. So, it says to boil the noodle for 6 to 8 minutes. And I have found 6 is the magic number. There were 3 of these he sent, and the first one I did for, I think I did 7 minutes, and it was like super, super soft, loose, just not my thing. And 6 makes a real difference. So let's watch it boil and discuss special events dealing with instant noodles. Yeah. So, I'm hoping this weekend will be the weekend I get to go to, what do you call it? TNT Market. There's a new TNT Market in Bellevue, Washington, which is just a stone's throw from where I live. Well, it's a little ways. It's like maybe a 35 minute throw of a stone. It's not walkable. Anyways, I guess it is walkable, but I'm not walking there. But it's the largest Asian grocery in North America. It used to be like a super Walmart. Okay? So it's like epic. And when they opened, you couldn't get in without waiting for a long time because there was a line around the whole place. At one point, the line went around twice. So yeah, no. Not with 2 kids, not with a wife with a sore hip, no. Okay, come on. You're getting a little nutty. There we go. Okay, settle down now. But yeah, so hopefully that'll happen. My daughter's first softball game of the season is tomorrow. Hopefully the weather's not too bad for it. And yeah. Didn't go out and do my walking this morning. I was going to talk to Stumpy from North Little Rock, but he kind of crapped out. Little scumbag. And they were doing leaf blowing outside, and my allergies are through the roof, so it was just like, I'm good for now. I'll go out later. And so when this is all done, had lunch with my wife, then I'll go out. I'll go to the thrift store. That sounds like fun. If there's something there that I can't live without. It's possible, but yeah, we'll just see. So, this is a weird situation. So, my daughter has a friend who has a condition. I won't go into it, but the funding to figure out how to, like for research into the condition, this is pretty rare stuff, just got cut by, I think, Doge. So it's like, dude, that's harsh. I guess Elon doesn't have it and his kid doesn't have it, so it must not be, But I'm thinking like, wow, how can I help with this? So I looked up the condition and I found like a researcher in South Korea that's like on it at a university. I'm guessing with most sciences, a lot of these people like compare notes and work together on things, so it is possible that they know a bunch of people that'll have an idea of like what they can do. Hopefully. It just sucks, man. It's like, why are you... It was working. Let's break it. Or let's do this. Oh, wait, we broke it. Let's fix it again. Uh-oh. You know, there's been so many stories of that kind of thing happening. Like, let's get rid of all the people that, you know... Let's try to buy out all the air traffic controllers. Oh, there's a shortage. Well, let's hire them back. Well, we didn't save their email addresses. You know, that kind of crap. So it's very odd. Very, very odd. I don't even know what to think of that crap. So hopefully, you know, they figure that out. You know, if it were me, I'd appeal directly to the administration, say some nice things about great leader, and you know, it's worthwhile. I mean, it can't hurt. I would ingratiate myself to great leader if something was that important. Who knows? Oh, that's horrible. Oh, well, you know, America. I think the weirdest thing about all this stuff is like this idea that we're going to save so much money as America and taxes won't go to this. And it's like, well, who's benefiting? I don't expect we're going to all get checks in the mail. You know, they've already got a thing with Social Security. I get Social Security. I'm legally blind, so I get disability. Am I a scumbag? No. There's people with way worse disabilities than me that, you know, are interested in now getting Social Security. They're closing all the offices, at least a lot of them. And where are they going to go? They have to, like, we got to make sure it's not fraudulent. Oh my God. Hell in a handbasket. Don't get me started. But, you know. I'm a weird guy, though. See, at least I think I am. Am I? Yeah? Okay. But it's like, if I got a free trip to go to the White House and meet the president, I would absolutely love that. And when I was there, I'd be respectful. You know, I am no fan of our president. However, there's decorum. There's what you do when in Rome. So I wouldn't go and like start screaming at the guy. Plenty of people doing that already. If he asked me a question how I thought he was doing, I'd be honest. I'd probably end up in Siberia, but I'd be honest. I don't know. I'm not going to lie to the guy. I'll let him do that. But it's a weird deal. I don't know. I don't like what's going on. I think plenty other people don't like what's going on. But I guess there's some people who are really into what's going on, and that's fine, you know. Hell, half the country likes him, I think. I don't know. Alright, so we definitely can smell the Szechuan pepper in this. Very curious about this. I wonder if there's one that's just... Was there a mala already? I don't know. I would like to think that there's more varieties by this brand. Because these are pretty good. The noodle's not bad. They're Chinese. They're not Taiwanese, but they definitely have that look of a Taiwanese dry noodle. Mm-hmm. A little heat. a nice Szechuan or a nice sesame paste thing going on. It's got a little bit of savoriness that almost makes it seem like it's bacony, and I think that's just part of the Szechuan pepper aspect. Maybe it's that and the scallop or the chives bag. The way that works is somewhat reminiscent of what is it? Zang Noodle. Zang makes really a very nice. It's like a Szechuan pepper scallion oil noodle in Taiwan. That's really off the hook. I mean, this isn't the same deal, but noodle. Let me do the scallion right now. What I like about these is, I don't know if it's on this one, but on all the other ones it showed a picture of an egg on top. And an egg on top is an egg on top. And there's nothing better than an egg on top. Some seeds. I think we're good. We really don't need to do a whole heck of a lot to these. They really stand on their own. They're very nice. And Rotato, do your thing. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is the one that came from Frank over at 5 a.m. Ramen. This is a Sapporo Ichiban Junren Sapporo Miso, and this is going to be good stuff. I can tell you right now, it's getting windy. Huh. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Like, subscribe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.